So, do you have $1,000 for good butterfly or karambit knife? I don't. And because of that, I will try to get a butterfly knife with just 2 armory pieces. Wish me luck and enjoy the video. Okay, by looking at this list, we can see that the best collection to open is Sports and Field collection. But we have only 80 stars, so we will open it later. We will open a few of small arms charms and the most of elemental craft stickers. We can start now. First one. Let's get something good from the first one. Come on. Okay. Now we'll make a time lapse. Nice one. Let's see. Okay. Nice. Nice. Let's go. Let's go. Very nice. We are good with that. Keep them coming. Let's go. Very nice. Hey, come on! 2 in a row! Let's go! Yes! What's happening today? Is this my lucky day? Let's go! Okay, something is wrong. I'm too lucky today. This is also good. This is good. Yes, 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 yes. Come on. Less sticker to open, then we move on. Okay, 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 okay. Now we can open a few of small arms charms. That is also very profitable, I think, by this. Yes, fourth. Well, let's open 4 of those. Give me something better, please. Come on, something good, something good. Give me pink, give me pink. So we got nothing from that. That's okay, because we did not waste our luck now. So now we can open the most profitable by this chart. Let's go, we have three attempts to get something good. We want, what do we want? We want everything from purple to red. Come on. Okay, that's the first one. Let's go, let's go, let's go, come on, come on, come on, very, very good. This is okay. Let's just check it first. Let's check it. Field tested. Okay, okay, that is not bad. We are very, very lucky with this. And let's open. The last one. Come on. Okay. So that's it from our 80 stars. I think we got pretty lucky, but later I will do the maths and I will show to you if I think we are on profit from 2 armory passes. But I'll tell you later. And after all that, let's see where are we at with the money. So, at the start, we bought 2 armory passes. That's 28 euros. We are in minus now. From these 2 armory passes, we got 102.96 euros. When we take away from that 28 euros of armory, the total profit is 74.96 euros. Very nice profit for the first episode, for first 2 armories. Let's talk about giveaway now. How to join? 3 easy steps for you. First, subscribe to the channel. Second, like the video. And third, comment below your guess for which weapon you think I'll be giving away a skin. And next to your guess, write your Discord nickname. The winner will be drawn in a week in the next video. See you in the next episode.